morning, children. So today we are going to start a new lesson, Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So children, a right angle triangle. You know what is right angle triangle? It's one of the angle is of 90 degree and rest two are the acute angles. A right angle triangle has one of its angle equals to 90 degree. Okay. And the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. And other two sides, you can say one is the base and other is the height of the right angle triangle. The perpendicular is generally we know it is the height. And a relation between hypotenuse, base and perpendicular of a right angle triangle was given by the great Greek mathematician Pythagoras. Okay. Now see children. It is the right angle triangle. It is the base of the triangle. It is a perpendicular or you can say height. Perpendicular. And the side that opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Okay, now see some triangles are given in your book. And you have to identify the hypotenuse. Write the name of the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse of triangle ABC. Now see children, always see the right angle is shown by the small square. Okay, if it is written 90 degree or not. So whenever you see this small square in the triangle, so you must know it is the right angle. And other triangles are always shown by this little arc. Okay, so only 90 degree is shown by the square. So just like in this triangle ABC, angle B is the 90 degree. And the segment opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So here in this triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. Angle B is the 90 degree and its opposite side AC is the hypotenuse. Now see the second one. Triangle LMN. See. Where is 90 degree? It is. Here is the small square. So here is the 90 degree end. Okay. And the opposite side. MN. And it is what? Hypo. So this segment opposite opposite to this right angle L is MN hypotenuse. Now see, where is the small square? Here is the small square in Y. In the triangle X, Y, Z. Angle Y is the 90 degree. And the segment opposite to this angle Y, that is XZ, is the hypotenuse. So how will you find which one is the hypotenuse? You have to see which angle is the 90 degree and the segment opposite to this is what? Hypotenuse. Got it, beta? See, Pythagoras was a great Greek mathematician of the 6th century BCE. He made important contribution to mathematics. His method of teaching mathematics was very popular. He trained several mathematicians. People of many countries had long known of a certain principle related to the right angle triangle. So he put a theory about the right angle triangle, and it is known as Pythagoras theorem. So it is applicable only on the right angle triangle. It is also given in the book called Shulvasutra of ancient India. Acha. So the same theory is introduced in India. Shulvasutra. Okay. As Pythagoras was the first to prove the theorem, it is named after him. This theorem of Pythagoras states that in a right angle triangle, what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. It is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, now see children. A, B, C. ABC is a right angle. Angle B is the 90 degree. See, here I am writing the segment opposite to A is what? A, B, C. Base. It is hypotenuse, and it is, you can say it is the perpendicular or it is the height of the triangle. Okay, so what the theorem says, square of the hypotenuse is AC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of its sum of the squares of its two sides, means base square plus perpendicular means B. Got it, beta? It is what? Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Or in short, if you want to learn this, you learn this. Suppose it is A, B, C. The segment opposite to this angle A is hypotenuse. It is shown by the small letter A. The length of this segment CB is A. It is C. Length of this AB is C. It is opposite to angle C. And the segment AC is opposite to this angle B. So we will write it B. So you can learn A square equals to B square plus C square. It is what? Pythagoras theorem. Got it, beta? Okay, so let's see some questions on this Pythagoras theorem. One activity is given in your book. Draw right angle triangle given in the hypotenuse and one side as shown in the rough figures below. Measure the third side. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we will do it. Okay, so we will do this activity. It is a right angle triangle. ABC. It is right angle at B. It is given 5 and it is given 3. Okay, so what would be the length of AB? So see children, it is 4. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. You can say perpendicular is a height. Okay, so add the square. Okay, so hypotenuse square is what? What is hypotenuse here? This segment that opposite to the angle B is hypotenuse and it is 5. 5 square. What is the square of 5? It is 25. Okay, let's see B square plus H square. B base is 3 square. H is 4. 3 square is 9 and 16. What is 9 and 16? It is 25. So children, here we proved BC square plus H square is 25 and it is equals to the hypotenuse square. Okay, so it is proved that hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of base and its perpendicular. Got it, beta? So let's see one more example. PQR. It is perpendicular on Q. And the segment opposite to is 10. it is applicable, Pythagoras is applicable here or not. So here hypotenuse is what, beta? PR. Sorry, PR. Hypotenuse square equals to tan square and is equals to 100. Tan square, 10 into 10 is 100. Now find out base square plus height square. So you can take anyone is the base and anyone is the height. Okay. B square plus H square. 6 square plus 8 square. 6 6 are 36. 8 8 are 64. 64 100. Got it? So see, the sum of the base, sum of the squares of base and perpendicular, that is 100, and is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Got it, beta? So it is the Pythagoras theorem. So we are stop over here, children. Bye bye, beta.